Today, I'm making a healthy banana split using Greek yogurt. Now first, cut the stem off the strawberries and chop them up. And then you're going to chop up the pineapple. Then you're going to peel and slice your banana. Place the banana in a dish and fill it with the yogurt. And drizzle with a little bit of honey. Begin topping it with the strawberries, the pineapples, and the blueberries. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Sprinkle it with the granola and drizzle with a little bit more honey. Add a few dollops of the yogurt and then top them with the blackberries. Greek yogurt is delicious and is a good source of protein. Now just sprinkle it with a little bit of the shredded coconut. And there it is, healthy and delicious.